Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachel, of course. So just a very quick intro for this video. This is how to make a media kit. So I got a lot of questions on my Instagram, especially after my last video. If you haven't watched part one, watch part one. It's how to receive PR. I just talk about the content creation world, and if you're a content creator or want to be a content creator, look at that video first and then come back to this one. So this one is about what to include in your media kit, what it looks like, how I create mine, basically what I send to brands, including my rates. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up because I worked really hard on this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and my Skinstagram. I will link them all down below. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how I create a media kit and how you can too. So I create mine on canva.com and they have a whole bunch of templates. So you could just search in media kit and a whole bunch of templates will pop up. You can choose which one you would like. You can even create your own by just clicking blank, or you can check any of the templates that you want to do. This is a free website. All you have to do is sign up. I've never had to pay for anything. You can pay for some of their royalty tools, but all of their free stuff is pretty great. So I'm going to click on this template and just show you guys how it works and what I do. Here you can upload any of your work, any photos you have of yourself to replace the ones that they have on the template already. So here I am. I'm just going to select some of my work and just kind of replace the ones that are there. You just want to personalize it a little bit, show what you've done, what work you've done, and a picture of you. Here I am just putting a selfie of me. I'm not really going to use that one. It's just one that I chose. I do more skincare stuff, so I've just put up my skincare content, and then I replaced all of the words to mine. So my Instagram page is Rachel Skin, and I am a content creator, so I'm going to replace that with content creator. And the about me, it can be long, it could be short. I prefer it to be short. They're not going to read through everything if you have a long paragraph. I will show you my personal one, but here I'm just writing some quick stuff, stuff that doesn't really make sense, but it's just up to you what you want to write about yourself to make yourself more appealing so that people can just skim over and just see, okay, this is a content creator and she mainly does skincare, and this is what she's passionate about. And then next are your media stats or your demographics, your insights. So here you can put like how many followers you have, your engagement rate, your demographics, who you reach out to, how many profile views you get. It's really just dependent on what you want to show brands. If you want to zoom up or kind of see the whole thing, you can click the percentage on the bottom right corner and just click what percentage you want to see it in. So here I'm at 50% and I can just kind of see an overview. I created another page so I could put anything else I want. So this page, I'm going to make it for my rates. So here you can see me, I'm just playing around, but I ended up not liking it, and so I just decided to choose a different background. And I just kind of made it my own. I didn't really use a template for it, but you can also use a template to make a second page. But here I am. I'm just gonna use the resources that I have. I'm gonna go to text and I added a heading, and here I'm putting rates so they can see what I charge per post or per video, whether you are on Instagram or on YouTube. I get a lot of questions about what my rates are and what I even charge for what kind of post. So it's up to you. It's your own business. You can do whatever you want. These are just examples. So you can charge per Instagram post, Instagram reel, Instagram story, an Instagram video. Same with YouTube. You can do a YouTube video plus an Instagram post. You can bundle it like that. I kind of did one here, Instagram post plus video, and then you can combine different rates. I can't say on what kind of rates. If you guys want to know more info about that, go look at my how to get PR video. I talk a little bit about rates, but you can do your own research and try to see how much other content creators are charging so you can kind of gauge how much you should charge. So here I'm just showing you different resources that you can use on Canva. So with the Elements tab, you can just search up just basically anything and something will come up, and you could just spice up your page, make it look more pretty, just showing you the different text they have. You can insert videos, different backgrounds, and all of that. You could just kind of play around with it and see what they offer. It's pretty great for a free resource, so that's why I love using Canva. So here I'm going to show you my personal media kit. It has all of my designs saved. So I do have my media kit saved, and I go in and change my demographics about every week or two because it's always changing. So yeah, this is my cover page. Just shows all the content I've created, my social media handles, and then my second page is my about me, what my audience looks like, my insights for both of my Instagram and YouTube, and then my last page is my rates. And I took off my rates because rates are very personal, so I don't want you guys to find inspiration from mine because my rates are personalized to me. So at the bottom here I have details. This just shows the brand what they are paying for. I personally really like this on this page because it just shows what you're doing. If you're going to pay for a story, what does that entail? If you're going to pay for a post, what does that entail? So I download it to my laptop once I'm finished, and it comes and saves as a PDF. So this is just super easy to send in an email once I have pitched to a brand, or if a brand reached out to me. It's easy to just send them right away in an email. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be happy to answer.